In this video, you will learn how to replace the battery in your DSC 1616 control panel box. The panel might be secured with a lock and key or with screws. You might need a flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and pliers. Before changing the battery, ensure your system is disarmed and is placed on test mode with Guardian. Simply go to Guardian's customer care website at customercare.guardianprotection.com to place your system on test. Once you have located the control panel box, unlock or unscrew the door on the panel to access the battery. The battery is usually located at the bottom of the panel box. First, disconnect the black wire by pulling the connector off of the negative battery terminal. Then, disconnect the red wire by pulling the connector off of the positive battery terminal. Remove the old battery from the panel. Next, check the replacement battery for plastic terminal protectors and remove them. If the battery does not have red or black terminals, check for positive and negative signs next to the terminals so that you can place the battery in such a way that the positive and negative wires do not cross each other during connection to the battery. Place the new battery in the bottom of the panel box. First, reconnect the red wire to the positive terminal. Then, connect the black wire to the negative terminal. Once the battery is in place and properly connected, close and lock or fasten the panel door back onto the panel box. Be aware that it might take up to 24 hours for the battery to fully charge. Therefore, you might still see a low battery indicator. A customer service representative will walk you through clearing the low battery indication if the battery still needs to charge. Now that you have replaced the battery, be sure to test your system before having it removed from test mode. For assistance, please call Guardian's Customer Care Department